Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk with through a full back, shoulder and neck massage. This routine is great for relevant stress, tension and stiffness. Let's begin and get started. We always start with light, slow strokes across the entire back. This helps the muscles relax and prepare the body for deeper work. Take your time here, and then there is no need to rush these parts. Okay, I think you can understand what can I do for this. Now we move to the lower back and area. There is a lot of people carry tension from sitting all the day using gentle circular motions. We work along both sides of the spine and loosen things up. That's it. And moving up to the mid back, we apply a bit more pressure here. This area often holds the tightness from bad position sitting, and we take our time to work through it slowly. Okay, understand? Then, now we are working around the shoulders, blades. This is usually one of the tightest area, especially for the people who sit at the desk. We use our thumbs to apply firm, steady pressures. Let's move to the shoulders now using the kneading motion. We squeeze and release the muscles here. This helps release the knots that build up from daily stress. This can really help you. Now we move up to the neck, one of the most delicate area. We always start light here using slow circular movements at the base of the skulls. As the muscles relax, we can apply a bit more pressure along the side of the neck. Remember, the neck should always be treated gently and carefully. Okay, I think you can understand. Now we bring it all together with long flowing strokes that move from the lower back up through the shoulders and into the neck. This helps contact that whole massage and keep the body relaxed. As we come to the end, we slow things down with soft, gentle strokes across the back and shoulders. This signals that body that the massage is finishing, and that complete back, shoulders, and neck massage. Doing this regularly can really help with the stress and daily tensions. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share with someone who really needs it, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to create more content for you. See you in the next video. Till then, give me a permission and goodbye.